Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see top important questions of general science related to physics. So without wasting any time, let's move to the first question. Question number 1. The substance which conduct current in the solid state is? And the right option is option A, graphite. Question number 2. Which set of conditions represents the easiest way to liquefy a gas? And the right option is option C, low temperature and high pressure. Question number 3. What is color of light related to? And the right option is option A, amplitude. Question number 4. What principal laws explains the working of the hydraulic brakes in automobiles? And the right option is option D, Pascal's law. Question number 5. The best conductor of heat among the following is? And the right option is option A, mercury. Question number 6. What is viewed through an electron microscope? And the right option is option A, structure of bacteria and viruses. Question number 7. What apparatus is used to locate a submerged object? And the right option is option C, sonar. Question number 8. The instrument which use sound waves to measure the depth of ocean is? And the right option is option B, sonar. Question number 9. Which combination of color is the most convenient during day and night time? And the right option is option D, red and green. Question number 10. The instrument that measures and records the relative humidity of air is? And the right option is option A, hygrometer. Question number 11. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is? And the right option is option A, spiral. Question number 12. The different color of different stars are due to the variation of? And the right option is option A, temperature. Question number 13. The fundamental scientific principle in the operation of battery is? And the right option is option C, dissociation of electrolytes. Question number 14. Instrument used to measure the force and velocity of the wind is? And the right option is option C, anemometer. Question number 15. Woolen clothes keep the body warm because? And the right option is wool is a bad conductor. Question number 16. If the length of a simple pendulum is half, then its period of oscillation is? And the right option is option C, decreased by a factor √2. Question number 17. Mist is caused by? And the right option is option D, water vapor at low temperature. Question number 18. While catching a ball, a player pulls down his hand to lower the? And the right option is option B, momentum. Question number 19. When a barometer reading suddenly recedes, it indicates the climate. And the right option is option D, will be extremely stormy. Question number 20. Electron microscope was invented by. And the right option is option D, Knoll and Ruska. So here is our top important questions of general science. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel as we keep making video related to general knowledge and general science. So that's it for today. See you in next video.